everyone, welcome back to another session of No Quitting with Active Living by Aditya Birla Health Insurance. What we got today is HIIT, High Intensity Interval Training Program, which is great for burning fat, gaining lean muscle mass and getting that toned up body. So let's get started. First exercise we're gonna start with is basic jumping jacks and front jacks. We're gonna do 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. This gonna stay same for all the exercises. Simply open up your legs and hands together, move them up and down. In case you have any sensitivity around your knees and you have trouble jumping, try to do same with simple taps. Instead of jump, you will tap your feet out. Second exercise is basic kick throughs. You'll go down in a bear position and then kick your one leg out. Try to find a balance here. You'll take little time to adapt to this, but yes, it is very effective exercise to work those core muscles and all the muscles in your legs, increasing endurance as well as stability. Keep moving, 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Try to find your balance here as you shift from one hand to the other hand. Very effective workout, and yes, you must have started feeling the burn by now. Next is basic plank position and shoulder taps. We will do 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps for all the exercise. If you are a beginner and you are not able to complete 3 sets, try to do with 10 reps for 3 sets. Simply tap your shoulders without disturbing your balance and without moving too much up and down. Try to maintain a straight position instead of going up in a mountain. Keep breathing in and out as you tap around. Next one is basic inchworm, in which you will walk down with your hands and then come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4 out and then 1, 2, 3, 4 rise up. Keep your spine straight as you go down. Lengthen it completely and then walk up back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 sets and 15 to 20 reps. We've come down to burpees now. Yes, that's the most awesome HIIT move. 3 sets, 20 to 15 reps. Slowly you're gonna jump up, get your hands and full body down to the mat and then rise up. By now you all must be huffing and puffing. That's the whole idea. You have less time, but this workout will give you a good heart pumping in 10 to 15 minutes. Moving on to plank jacks. You will stay in a plank position and then move your legs in and out, just like jumping jacks, but this is in the format of plank. As you can see, my whole body is stable. It's only the legs which are going out and in. Plus, I'm not pushing my hips up in a mountain position. Your hips will stay in line with your spine and down till your legs. Keep your core engaged here. Moving on to the high knees. Again, if you have any sensitivity around your knees, you will not take it as a jump movement. Slowly tap your knees up. And then once you feel comfortable with this movement, you can start with the jumping. 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Yes, we are coming to an end. Just stay there. Just keep going. Moving on to the chops, you will open up your legs in a plie stance, in which you open up your hips little farther than a squat stance, and then slowly go down, moving your hands out and out, both the sides in a chop position. Keep going slow and then increase the pace as you gain strength here. 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Moving on to the butt kicks here. Very interesting move. You're gonna tap your feet back to your butts. Exactly. If anyone has any sensitivity around the knees, instead of jumping, just tap them slightly one by one. Otherwise, you can complete those 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Keep going strong. Yes, we are just coming to end. Moving on to, yes, mountain climbers. As you can see, you're gonna tap your knees in as possible, but yes, without rising up in a mountain. Try to keep your spine straight, core engaged. Thank you so much for joining in and completing the entire HIIT session. This is quite different from Pilates and Zumba. But yes, I hope you are staying strong and keep rocking.